flamethrower pipe under house.
We are currently underneath the house.
Not the brightest move ever, but we're gonna solder a pipe under a house in an enclosed space.
Yeah, we're gonna solder.
And we've never soldered shit before.
Yeah.
So we're kind of winging the shit as we go.
This is we're screwed.
So it's me. I'm Roberson. Hey, what's up? Peace. Word. This is my boy Hordeski. Can't really see him, but he's white. Oh, there he is.
Yep.
Cool. Oh yeah, by the way, the soldering gives off a dust that's actually not good to breathe in, and we're in a closed space. You can't tell? That's a pillar, and that's the roof.
Yeah.
Pillar, roof, floor, solid concrete. Fucking awesome.
This is the roof.
Boy. So let's see. Let's check our supplies right here. We got one propane flamethrower. Fucking awesome. And soldering wire.
There we go. It's pretty cool.
Fucking awesome.
Not really, but okay.
Yeah, nope. And got a lovely piece of flint right here.
Can't see it. Hold on.
Yeah, fucking awesome. All right, then you gonna get that?
Yeah. Awesome.
All right, and I would have brought a first aid kit, but if anything if the thing fucking like blows up down here, no Band-Aid's gonna fix that.
We're pretty much screwed.
Yeah. So, and we got gloves, tools.
Yeah. Wait, where my gloves at? Where my gloves at? Okay, there they are.
Yeah, I was gonna say you might want to put your fucking gloves on.
Yeah, it's pretty dark down here, so I can't see shit. What? We're making a documentary.
I want my unborn children to watch this video
of how we epically failed.
And if anyone were to ask, Kaiser never went on a date with me. It fucking sucked. Yeah, I know.
Oh man, that blows.
I know it blows. I know.
Well,
But yeah. So, anyways, now since we're under this house and we're all prepared to die, let's get this funeral on the way. So, if you don't mind holding on for a second, gloves on.
So, other than the video, are you guys actually doing the job?
No.
Hey, this is gonna be my Emmy, my Oscar.
Hold on, let me put my phone down, put my gloves on.
Oh yeah, and this is our radio, which goes to our tech support upstairs.
Which we're pretty much relying on my brother-in-law. We're pretty much screwed.
Ugh. Alright.
Wait, take your blowtorch.
Oh. Hand me the blowtorch.
And this beam right here is like half the height of the actual ceiling.
Okay. Oh shit, I forgot something. Put the light back here.
What'd you forget?
The soldering.
Ow, fuck, ceiling!
Yeah, Hordeski's like freakishly tall, so he just hit his head on the ceiling.
Ow!
Well.
And the ceiling is like, seriously, not even a foot high. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I know.
It's going on my Facebook, that's for sure.
Alright.
Alright, here's the pipe we gotta solder.
Right here is where we're soldering, everybody.
Yeah,
right here. Alright, hold on.
Oh my gosh, this
cool. Are we still going live?
Mine's still going. Your phone shut off?
Yeah, it's a piece of shit like that. You're probably gonna have to record this for the rest of this.
Okay, well.
But, yeah. So,
I'm recording.
Alright, cool. Alright.
Is it, you're still recording?
Yep, but just keep yours recording just in case.
Wait, I'm gonna hold on. Oh, ow, fucking ceiling!
Alright, you got the towels?
Shit.
Roger that. Don't sexually harass the floors.
They just blocked your camera. I'm gonna try and find the paper towels.
So he's going to get the towel so we can dry the pipe off. It's got water flowing through it.
Not through it right now.
Yeah, well,
it had water.
Water flowing through it. So yeah, if you haven't noticed, I'm ruggedly handsome. So anyone who watches this video, if I look ugly as hell, it's because my face has been charred. Okay, anyways.
Just how he looks usually, but here's how.
Alright, one towel coming up. Alright. Alright, you got this?
Got what?
Alright. Song, you got it on video. We're good. Okie dokie.
Gloves.
Next comes gloves.
Gloves on. It'd make a command, you know. Gloves on. Let's see your glasses have all fogged up.
Yep.
Ah, great. Got the guy who's soldering. Can't even see. Look at it. There's still water dripping from it.
Huh?
I just saw water drip from there still.
Oh, fuck it, dude.
Oh, yeah. I got the dirty towel.
No, fuck. There's water still dripping from it. But yeah. Now you know where the water is actually coming from.
The pipe.
Alright.
Whew. You know, I forgot this other. Oh my gosh. Oh, you point! Don't point that towards me! Just a little bit. Turn it down, turn it down, turn it down. You have it too high. Way too high. There you go. Start off low. That might be a little bit too low. Yeah, it's too low. And get the dirt out of there before you set it on fire. Like out of the flint. Hold it there. Turn it up some. That's too high. Is that actually a cockroach? There you go. Up, 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 up. Down, down, and that's too high.
I got it. Alright. What I will be neat. Alright, you got this on video?
Yep. Heat the pipe up. Here's Roberson.
Yep. This is Roberson. Yep. It's really hot. This is Roberson. Soldering G.
That's why you should have it connected so you can just keep it
Okay,
long.
it's actually getting really...
Turn it down some. We'll give it really high.
Yeah, got that.
You just dropped your camera. You're no longer recording on your
Oh, Jesus Christ. Well, it's hot. And not in the oh my God, I'm sexy.
Why are you starting from the middle of that? Oh, dude, you just totally cut that thing in half.
What thing in half?
That you started from the middle of that.
No, dude, I have to heat it, and then I just tap it, and it's gonna melt off.
Well, we've been on here, you know, making this documentary for about 9.5 minutes now. Your glove's on fire.
What? What?
It was.
Okay.
You just totally lit your glove on fire. That was fucking awesome.
It's actually really hot, so I'm guessing you're not wrong.
Try to see if we can get the underneath of it. And
Yeah, I'm trying to, but it's hard to get it, because when you get it underneath, the flame comes up, so it melts it before it even fucking touches it. So I'm just gonna try to melt this thing shut.
Oh, that's pretty cool. I got a screen in the screenplay.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we got the screen looking at mine, at my phone. As my phone's looking at you, it's just sweating.
Pretty badass.
Under your right eye, I can see like tears coming out. Aw, you crying, Grant?
Nope. Just hot. It's like fucking hotter than Satan's nutsack in here, dude. It's like Satan's teabagging me right in my face.
And the sad part is, you like it.
Shut up, fool.
I like it. I like it.
Alright. We're gonna put that right there.
Yeah, way to block the camera. I mean, you didn't want to see your ugly mouth. What do you think? Good enough? No, I still see water dripping.
Yeah, it wasn't one. Alright.
Is the documentary almost done? Because I'm
trying to figure out where this water is coming from.
I'm just going to lay my head down. It's so close in here.
Normally you'd solder a pipe before you put it together, but we're soldering a pipe that's already together. Not only soldering a pipe that's already together, we're soldering a pipe that's touching a plastic one, so.
Oh, I'm going to sit here and put this.
You know what I'm going to do?
What's that?
Oh, snaps.
What's those snaps?
Check this out.
What am I checking out?
That's just about long enough.
Something tells me this is about to be a bad idea.
Yep, most likely.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, everybody. Ugh. We're gonna do it.
Oh my.
Ass.
Cause baby tonight, DJ got us falling in love.
Okay, dude, seriously, you can't be singing fucking Usher when we're dealing with fucking fire, okay?
Why is that? Oh! Dude, I just totally tried to roll over, and this bar here just totally tried to, like, clip my side. I'm stuck now.
Okay, dude, there's clippers down here or something? Because this thing is not fucking coming off.
Let me grab a flashlight and I'll just find them real quick.
Ugh. Ugh. Alright, so
Aha! I see them.
we're going to try another approach, because this is actually harder than it looks. It's,
This is failed soldering 101.
Yep. If you are learning how to solder from this video,
You failed.
epic failure. Epic.
No, it's failure of epic proportion.
Alright.
Oh.
Alright, we're going to go ahead.
Yeah, way to blind him with the light.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, dude, I can't get under here. I hate being tall sometimes.
Alright. Because this thing's
How's it
probably...
going down there?
Shit.
Where's it at? Let me find it. Oh,
It's right here, I got it.
I got it. Ow, fucking A!
You okay?
I just kind of slammed my head really hard.
My heart?
Yeah, my heart really had.
Okay, how are things going other than that?
We're learning
Alright.
we are learning how to fail solder 101.
Alright. We're going for round 2.
We're going for round 2 with the pipe.